This is the 750-watt Focus SPX-750, manufactured by Seasonic, with a current MSRP of $170 US. It is a fully modular SFX power supply with a single additional hybrid fan mode, allowing passive operation for low loads, and measures 125 by 63.5 by 100 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 135 millimeters. The Focus SPX-750 is accompanied by the accessories as shown and is supported by a 10-year warranty. This warranty period is as expected for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of acceptable quality. They have plastic insulation and are moderately flexible. They should cause no problems while building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set does not include any 12-volt high-power cables, limiting the compatible GPUs to older generation or lower power models. LTT Labs conducted all of the following testing at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite, including tests at extended temperature ranges, is available on the lab's website linked in the description. But before we get to the results, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. Their secure high-speed VPN network lets you access your local content from all over the world. Go check out PIA using our link in the description for a special deal. The Focus SPX-750 carries an 80+ platinum rating, and we have measured 92% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That is equivalent to power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 750 watts, there was a 0.094 voltage drop on the 12-volt rail inside of ATX specifications, and similar to most other power supplies we've tested. The rest of the output rails met ATX specifications. The stability will provide a steady platform for the operation of other components in the computer. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was slightly high at 38 millivolts, while the 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had signal ripple of 21 millivolts and 22 millivolts respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issue complying with ATX ripple specifications, and this unit is no different. We test a power supply's resilience to momentary power dropouts and ripples using our brownout test that interrupts the input power for a few milliseconds. This allows us to measure how long of a power dropout the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. The Focus SPX-750 was measured to withstand an 11 millisecond and 10 millisecond dropout at full rated load for 115 volt and 230 volt inputs respectively. This is shorter than desired and may be more susceptible to poor power quality. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 150% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than their rated current. While this is not required for non-ATX3 power supplies, and the Focus SPX-750 was not designed to these specifications, we conducted the test out of curiosity. The Focus SPX-750 sustained all of the excursions while maintaining voltages within ATX specification. The Focus SPX-750 is equipped with the protections as listed, providing the full suite of protections for you and your equipment. We measured the overpower protection to engage at a maximum of 140% of rated load, while the 12-volt rail alone is capable of 87 amps, 141% of its rating. This is equivalent to similarly rated power supplies offering good protection against component faults, while also allowing the power draw to slightly exceed the official rating. We recommend the Focus SPX-750 because of its high efficiency at low wattages and good load regulation. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.